I have a Mastertemp 4000. Looks like the heater keeps restarting. It will start for a few minutes and then I hear a sound and it's restarting again. I'm thinking about checking the thermal regulator, but do you have any advice? There are no error codes. The heater light comes on and then it'll blink.
So it runs for a little bit, it makes a sound, then it shuts down and then it restarts. Wish you were more specific on the sound. If it's a rattling noise, then chances are it is it's basically I think they call it a unitherm governor. It's basically a thermostat. So that's right between the inlet and outlet manifold. There's a little cap you unscrew and it pops out on a spring. A lot of times those pieces get rusted up. That could be causing your issue. The other thing is if you have, you can check your igniter for any hairline cracks or anything. If it's kind of getting hot enough to kind of start the heater, but then kind of shorting. I had a heater recently that it was a combination of both. What happened was I replaced the igniter where there was slight charring, but nothing that no real cracks or anything. But I replaced the igniter because I happen to have one on hand, just to see how it would react. And after doing that, it did the same thing where it cycled on and off, but it started throwing me a high limit code, in HLS, which happened to be because the thermostat was stuck closed, so that it would heat the water up and then the water would overheat in the manifold, so then it tripped the high limit and tripped the heater off. So it could be a combination of both, but I think you're on the right track as far as checking the regulator.